Fix your HP InkTank 110 series printer when the warning and resume lights blink and the printer does not pick up or feed paper, even with paper loaded. Remove all paper and obstructions from the input and output trays. With the printer powered on, disconnect the power cord from the printer and outlet. Wait 60 seconds. This resets the printer and prevents damage when removing jams. Reconnect the power cord to the printer and directly into a wall outlet. And the printer turns on automatically. Examine the paper removed from the input tray and remove any sheets that are bent, torn, or wrinkled. Load the paper into the input tray, adjust the guide, and then on your mobile device or computer, print a document.